everyone, thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are going to be using some Marcy Auto Glass products here. This is one of their Quantum moldings, their QM7, very similar to the 1375 CAV molding that I'm sure everybody has seen. This stuff is definitely softer than the 1375, a lot more flexible, and looks like it's going to hold very well. I did use some of this on a Tundra the other day and it worked really well. So they sent me a sample here. We're putting this on a Mitsubishi Delica, which is a right-hand drive. Don't see these things very often here in the States. And the gentleman actually had to have the glass shipped in from overseas. So let's go ahead and put this molding on and show you guys how well this stuff holds. So it goes on very easy. We're just rolling it back like this a little bit to open up that gap and get that to slide on there. So wrap our corner here, and we're doing our best not to stretch this molding out. I know I've seen some people that can hold it like this and then slide their hand across. The problem with that is you start to stretch the molding, and when you do that, as the molding and the glass sit while you're working on the vehicle, you can wind up with the molding drawing itself back and winding up short on those edges. So I just roll this back and then roll it onto the edge of the windshield there without stretching it. Now, this goes on really easy. So far so good. Liking this product. The Quantum molding is very flexible and it's holding on here very well. You can see usually when you hang this on there, this will start to pull away, but that's actually hanging on pretty good. So that is our Marcy Auto Glass products QM7, again similar to the 1375. Same shape, goes on very easy, holds very well, and you can see it's holding this corner very well too. It's not wanting to roll off like some of the other moldings out there. Don't usually have that problem with this particular shape molding, but you know, sometimes you do. But this one is holding very well. So let's give this a quick trim, and we will call this video done. That is Marcy Auto Glass products QM7 Flex Mold. Their Quantum molding, very nice product. Look forward to using it more often. So, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.